San Francisco, the city of fog, tech giants, and the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. But what if something unexpected happened? What if, instead of the usual mist rolling in, a monstrous EF5 tornado came crashing down on the Bay Area? Sounds impossible? Think again. Tornadoes need warm, moist air colliding with cold, dry air. This collision creates a powerful updraft which can start to rotate if wind conditions are just right. The rotation can intensify, forming a funnel cloud that may eventually touch down as a tornado. These conditions are typically found in the central United States, in an area famously known as Tornado Alley, something we rarely see in California. The state's weather is usually characterized by mild, Mediterranean-like conditions with wet winters and dry summers. Tornadoes are almost unheard of here, making it a place where people feel relatively safe from such extreme weather events. But climate change is rewriting the rules. As global temperatures rise, the atmosphere holds more moisture, and weather patterns are becoming increasingly unpredictable. This means that areas previously considered safe from tornadoes might now be at risk. Warmer ocean temperatures could bring extreme weather events never seen before. The Pacific Ocean, which influences California's weather, is warming up. This could lead to more volatile weather patterns, including the possibility of tornadoes in regions that have never experienced them. Just in 2023, we saw a tornado in downtown Los Angeles. This unprecedented event shocked residents and scientists alike, serving as a stark reminder that no place is immune to the changing climate. So, could the next one target San Francisco? The city, known for its fog and mild weather, might seem an unlikely candidate. However, with the climate in flux, it's a question worth considering. As we continue to study these changes, one thing is clear: we must be prepared for the unexpected. If a tornado actually hit San Francisco, the consequences would be unimaginable. This city, known for its iconic landmarks and vibrant culture, would face a disaster of unprecedented proportions. Tornadoes are rare in this part of the country, but if one were to strike, the impact would be felt far and wide. The destruction would be catastrophic. Buildings that have stood for decades, some even centuries, would be reduced to rubble. The infrastructure, which has been meticulously maintained and developed over the years, would be in shambles. The economic impact alone would be staggering, not to mention the human cost. Here's what would happen step by step. First, the tornado would make landfall, bringing with it winds of unimaginable speed and force. The initial impact would be devastating, but the worst is yet to come. As the tornado moves through the city, it would leave a path of destruction in its wake. Wind gusts exceeding 200 miles per hour would slam into the Golden Gate Bridge, one of the most recognizable structures in the world. The bridge, which has withstood earthquakes and storms, would be put to the ultimate test. The steel cables, which are the backbone of the bridge, will they be twisted and torn apart? Imagine if this happens, potentially twisting the steel cables and ripping apart sections of the roadway. The bridge, a symbol of engineering prowess, could be rendered unusable. The impact on transportation and the economy would be immediate and severe. Downtown's iconic skyscrapers like Salesforce Tower are built to withstand earthquakes, but not an EF5 tornado. Glass would shatter, cars would become airborne, and debris would be scattered across the city. The skyscrapers, which are a testament to modern architecture, could be reduced to mere skeletons of their former selves. Entire buildings could collapse under the pressure. The loss of life and property would be immense. The city, which is known for its resilience, would be brought to its knees. The recovery process would be long and arduous, with many people left homeless and businesses destroyed. Those famous San Francisco cable cars? Gone, tossed like toys. These historic vehicles, which have been a part of the city's charm for over a century, would be no match for the tornado's fury. The streets, once bustling with activity, would be eerily silent. Alcatraz Island? The storm surge and winds could obliterate parts of it. This historic site, which has been a symbol of strength and resilience, would be battered by the elements. The damage to the island would be a stark reminder of the power of nature. And it only gets worse. The aftermath of the tornado would be a scene of utter devastation. The city, which has always been a beacon of hope and progress, would be left in ruins. The road to recovery would be long and difficult. but the spirit of San Francisco would endure. The people of this great city have faced challenges before, and they would rise again, stronger and more resilient than ever. San Francisco is one of the most prepared cities for earthquakes. But a tornado? That's a different story. The city's emergency systems would need to alert the residents in time. Mass evacuations would be needed immediately. It would be nearly impossible in the dense streets of San Francisco for residents to evacuate. Could the city's iconic structures survive? The good news? While the idea of a tornado hitting San Francisco might sound terrifying, the reality is that such an event is still highly unlikely. Tornadoes are rare in this region due to the unique geographical and climatic conditions that prevail here. The city's location along the coast and its mountainous surroundings create a natural barrier that makes the formation of tornadoes a rare occurrence. A tornado of this scale hitting San Francisco is still highly unlikely. However, we cannot completely rule out the possibility. With the ongoing changes in our global climate, weather patterns are becoming more unpredictable. This means that areas previously considered safe from certain types of extreme weather might start experiencing them. But with climate change causing more extreme weather, it's something we can't ignore. The increasing temperatures and shifting weather patterns are contributing to more frequent and severe weather events worldwide. From hurricanes to wildfires and yes, even tornadoes, no place is entirely immune. This is why it's crucial to stay informed and prepared. So, while San Francisco won't turn into Tornado Alley overnight, the weather is changing. We are witnessing more erratic weather patterns, and it's essential to understand how these changes might impact us. The city's infrastructure and emergency services need to be ready to handle any unexpected weather events, no matter how unlikely they may seem. And we have to be ready for anything. What do you think? Leave us a comment below. Emergency preparedness is key to minimizing the impact of any disaster. Whether it's having an emergency kit at home, participating in community disaster preparedness classes, or simply staying informed about the latest weather updates, every little bit helps. It's a collective effort that can make a significant difference in how we cope with extreme weather events. Could a tornado ever hit San Francisco? While the chances are very slim, it's a question worth pondering. The more we understand about our environment and the potential risks, the better prepared we can be. Knowledge is power, and by staying informed, we can take proactive steps to protect ourselves and our communities. Comment below with your thoughts and share your experiences or any tips you might have for disaster preparedness. Your input can help others in the community stay safe and informed. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling what-if scenarios. We explore a wide range of topics, from natural disasters to futuristic possibilities, and your support helps us bring more exciting content to you. Stay curious, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.